So here we take S1, we're going to insert a string, which is just a space and the word alive with an exclamation point. And we're going to insert that at index, and we're just going to put it right at the end of the line. Take S1.length, the full length of that string, and say right at the end of this, just append onto this alive. Let's go ahead and run it. And we can see that it worked. We have glad to be alive. Go back to the editor. And now we're going to do replace characters in range. So we're going to take S1, the string. We're going to replace characters in range. And here again, we're going to have to make a range using NSMakeRange. The starting point, our location, is 19. So we're going to go 19 characters in, and we're going to take from 19 through the next 4 characters. And we're going to replace that with the word excited. If you count them up, we're going to end up replacing the word glad with the word excited. So let's go ahead and run it. And here we have hello Objective-C, excited to be alive. Let's go back to the editor. Our next method is to replace occurrences of string. So the full method name is replace occurrences of string with string, options, range. So let's quickly go over this. Here again, we're going to take S1, we're going to replace occurrences of string, and we're going to find inside of the string S1 Objective-C. We're going to replace that with the string world. The options are NS case and sensitive search. Now there's a couple of searches that we can do. NS case and sensitive is one. And here again, if we hold down the option key and double click, it'll pull up a little bit of information for us. And if we click on this little book icon over here, it'll bring up the documentation and go right to that item in the documentation. So here we are, we have NS case and sensitive search, NS literal search, NS backward search, so if we wanted to start at the end of the line first and come backwards, and NS anchored search. Those are the main ones that you'll be using. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. And I minimize that using Command M on the keyboard. So once we have our NS case and sensitive search as our options, our range is going to be an NSMakeRange. We're going to start at 0, which that's at the beginning of the string. So that's our location. And then the length is the S1.length. We want to take the full length of the string that we want to make this search within. So let's go ahead and run this. And now we can see, hello world, excited to be alive. Let's go back to the editor. And the last method we have in NSMutableString, and can you believe it? We've covered every method that's in NSMutableString. This is setString. Now the setString method actually replaces the entire string that you had in S1. Or whatever your receiver is, the string that you're starting off with. So here we're starting off with S1 and we're saying set string. Take everything that's inside of S1, get rid of it, and replace it with this as a new string. So this is a way that you can clear the string, replace it, set contents to something else. So let's go ahead and run it. And we can see down at the bottom the new value of our S1 string is this is a new string. Go back over to the editor. So as you can see, there's a lot of power with NSMutableString. It's nice to be able to take a string and do all these modifications to it without having to create new strings to work with.